Hello everyone and welcome back to my YouTube channel with another useful and informative video. So guys, in this video I'm going to show you how to update CarPlay on iPhone in iOS 27. So guys, if you want to update CarPlay on your iPhone, here I will show you how can you do this or whether you can do this or not. So guys, basically CarPlay does not have a standalone app or update file. Instead, it is built directly into the iOS system. To get the latest CarPlay interface and features like the liquid glass and UI and new live activities, simply update your iPhone to the latest version of iOS 27. So guys, if you want to update your iPhone to iOS 27, here I will show you how can you do this. So guys, first of all, you have to simply go back to your home screen and then open settings and then scroll it below and go to general and then go to software update, and here you will see the latest update of iOS 27. So guys, you have to simply update here your device to the latest version from here, and after this your CarPlay will also be updated to iOS 27. So guys, in this way you can also update CarPlay on iPhone in iOS 27. So guys, that's it for today's video. Hope this video helps you. Please like and subscribe to my YouTube channel as well. Thank you.